What do tubers mean to you?
It connects me to my ancestors. There's feeling of happiness, euphoria, joy when I eat it because I think my ancestors who sit inside each and every cell in my body, I think they get happy and they send the signal to my brain that, oh wow. I just feel that it makes me work better, think better. I feel creatively abundant when I eat foods which are coming from the soil directly. Tubers are the closest to the soil. Like when you pick them up, they're growing with the soil. They're coexisting with the soil. While when you eat a palak, methi, and other vegetables, they are away from the soil. They're going towards the sky. While the tubers go towards the core of the earth, and they are more connected to the roots, the core of the whole earth. So I think it makes me feel like I'm connecting with the whole another world. Tubers. His favorite is sweet potato.